Welcome to High Wheels. In this video, we will understand the meaning of various symbols we see on a car console. There are three main categories of symbols. They are 1. Danger, indicated by red color symbols. 2. Warning, indicated by amber color symbols. And 3. Caution, indicated by yellow color symbols. Let's get straight to the video and understand the first symbol. Anti-lock braking system. ABS anti-lock braking system has made driving safer by allowing driver to apply maximum braking and steer at the same time. If ABS light turns on, there is a malfunction of ABS system. Adaptive suspension dampers. Suspension system of some cars have sophisticated dampers which can be set to be softer or firmer. If the light turns on, the dampers will need checking. Airbag warning light. This red light means one of the airbags is malfunctioning. The faulty airbag may fail to inflate in the event of an accident or inflate while driving. Vehicle charging system. This is vehicle battery or charging system warning light. The car battery might be draining when switched off or no longer charging. Brake pad warning light. Brake pad warning light turns on when there is a wear out of brake pads and discs. This is an important safety warning to be addressed at the earliest. Brake system warning light. This is the brake system light. If the handbrake is not on and the symbol glows, it means there is a fault with the brake system components. Child safety lock. This is child safety lock symbol. This simply means child lock is enabled and back doors cannot be opened from inside. Convertible roof symbol. This symbol is available on convertible cars. This light glows means that there is an obstruction or fault in opening or closing of roof. Cruise control symbol. Various top-end cars come with cruise control option. The light indicates that you have turned on cruise control. Engine cooling system. This is engine cooling system fault symbol. If this illuminates, the coolant level is dangerously low or the engine is getting overheat due to blockage in cooling system. This issue should be attended immediately. Check engine light symbol. Check engine light is basically a signal from car's engine computer that something is wrong with the engine. The light could mean minor issue like faulty gas cap or major issue like a misfiring engine. Engine oil pressure symbol. The engine oil pressure symbol indicates low engine oil level or engine has lost oil pressure. Regularly check the engine oil level to avoid engine problems, especially before a long drive. Electronic Stability Program. Electronic Stability Program or ESP helps the car to be planted on the road. This symbol is a reminder to switch on ESP, similar to what we see for a seat belt, which reminds us to fasten the seat belt. If ESP is on and still the light is glowing, it means there is a fault with the ESP. Glow plug indicator symbol. This is a symbol seen only on diesel cars. Glow plugs helps to start diesel engine when cold. We have to wait glow plug symbol to switch off before starting the engine. They wear out over time and the light turns on. Low fuel indicator symbol. Low fuel indicator is one of the common symbols seen on a car console and it is self-explanatory. The fuel level in the car is low. Power steering system. This is power steering system fault symbol. The hydraulic or electric pump that helps in power steering is faulty if the light illuminates. Steering lock indicator. A red color steering lock symbol light indicates fault with steering lock mechanism. It is advised to go directly to a service center or mechanic before turning off engine and attend the issue. Rear fog lamps indicator. This is rear fog lamps indicator. The light illuminates when rear fog lamps are switched on. Traction control. Traction control symbol works in three ways. Blinking light indicates traction control is working and preventing wheel spin. It glows as a reminder to switch on traction control, similar to what we saw in ESP symbol. And if the light turns on even when traction control is switched on, it indicates malfunctioning of the system. Tire pressure monitor. This is tire pressure monitor symbol. The light will turn on if air pressure in one of the tires has fallen noticeably compared to others. Now we will see very common symbols. This is headlight high beam indicator, seat belt warning, left turn indicator, right turn indicator, door ajar warning, parking brake. We hope this video was useful. Please let us know your feedback.